My name is Urchishman Pal, and today I'm going to present my project on ChainTorque. So, what's ChainTorque? It's a 3D CAD ecosystem. So, what's it difference from existing platforms? It's actually the word ecosystem. It comprises of three applications in one. It has CAD editor, it has a built-in 3D marketplace, it has AI features included in the CAD applications. So now we'll be seeing connecting via a clerk in the login page. I have used clerk instead of a custom authentication due to the security provided by the clerk. They are a dedicated security company for authentication, so I trust more on them. For an enterprise grade application building, it requires to trust the applications. So now we are just in the visiting the marketplace dashboard, and we can see over here there's a wallet balance. There are my models where we can just see what models we have published and recent purchases of what models we have yet to what we have bought. So we are in the edit page where we can just access the editor, and in the upload page we can upload any models of our choice in the specific category and the name. And now I'm gonna open another tab of Chrome to see how it's been showing to a new user. We can see the dashboard is empty, and we can see we can access the marketplace due to the extension. MetaMask extension is being downloaded. It's like the bank. So we can see wallet is required, so we can just connect the wallet. It's for the first users. I'm just showing how it's done. So we'll just connect the wallet and we can move on to the marketplace and upload any files if we want. So I'm just gonna show you. We're gonna upload a file known as CUCAV. So I saw a description of any of his choice, and we were selecting a category of aerospace. I'm just gonna place a arbitrary price for now. It's in Ethereum. So, and just the creator royalty that on any third party or second party sell, we can get the some of the value of our being our the original creator. I will be uploading a GLB file. We can also upload many file systems like STL and everything, and we'll just uploading an image. And now will be just it will be just getting published to IPFS, and we have to mint it via the MetaMask for the to actually get in the IPFS. So the application has already uploaded, and we can see that the new token is created, and we can visit that in the marketplace. So the new object is being shown. I'm just gonna open another object to show you how the purchase model works. So before that, we can see that we can view the model before we are purchasing. Now I'm just gonna perform a purchase. The MetaMask has opened, and we can send the money. It's 0.396, actually 0.04. Some of the money is actually been going to the network operator or the Sepolia chain because of that blockchain. So I'm just gonna, if I want to, I can sell it or edit it or download it on the edit page section of the models I have bought. I can see that my models I have shared the model, and there is no recent purchases here, but another page we can see that the model I have bought is shown in recent purchases with the live amount of money, that how much I have in the wallet is been shown. Now I'm just gonna open the editor to edit one file to show you how it's done. But before that, the editor is being open, I will show another user where there is no wallet is connected and they are only signed in. So what happens is that if there is no wallet, you can visit the marketplace, but you can't purchase nothing. So the dashboard is completely empty. We can see that there is no models being shown in the edit page because you can create but you cannot buy anything. So we cannot upload also, and we can't buy anything. So I've just shown you how it works. And now just go to the edit page, and I'm gonna show you. See, there are three workspaces, that is 2D, 3D and edit. I'm just gonna edit a small file of making some sample drawings. I built a sphere and another arbitrary object using polygon tool. I'm just gonna build ellipse. So I have cut a rectangle first, and using the cut tool I can just remove the two sides of the rectangle, and using the arc tool I can just give it the bend effect of that ellipse. So with this I can create an ellipse, and I'm just gonna 3D in the 3D workspace and extrude the shapes. So I'm just gonna select one of the shape and apply the height and extrude. I'm just gonna reduce the height and also show you the extrusion process. So it's the cylinder for the cylinder. and the next is the ellipse. It's let's give it the same height. And now this is the 3D workspace we can see over here, and I'm just gonna change the way how it looks, because it's hard to navigate using the laptop touchpad. So I'm just gonna change the way. Now we can see the it properly. So I'm just gonna move and do some objects to it, and we can see also the mesh editor in the 3 edit part. We can just select a vertex of the edit point, and we can deform it the object. We can see there are many lines connected to each other, and we have just changed a point, selected a point and changed it. I'm just gonna show you how it work again and see how it deforms. It has already been deformed. We can just go into 3D space, and we can see the deformed object in the 3D workspace. Now let's not just waste time and move to the other operations. We have just seen 2D and 3D workspace like a normal CAD editor. Now let's come to AI features. So I'm just before that I'm just gonna save this workspace as let's just name it sample 1 for now, and let's get along with it. So I'm just gonna show you Torque, the chat editor, and so I'm just gonna make it to ask a small rectangle, a small cylinder. So let's just type it, a small cylinder, and send it. Now it uses Gemini 3.5 Flash to make objects, and it's quicker for so yes, as you can see, it's already quick enough. So it has already created a cylinder, and it's gonna bring it to the center and make anything out of it. So yeah, I guess I can just apply a cone and see how it looks. So let's just apply a cone. We can easily add it. So let's add the cone above it, and let's make anything from it. So okay, just adjusting, and it's been applied. So it's look like a small rocket. I wonder if I can just make an rocket like thing. Let's just increase the height of the cylinder first. So we can just use it to to scale and increase the height along the axis, and it's done. And now we can just move it to above the grids to actually work much easierly. So it's done. Now we can just apply the cone above the cylinder, and let's see how it works. We can also divide into stages the rocket. So I've just bypassed a cone and a larger cylinder below it. So I can just deform the cone into the size that it matches the below cylinder to make it look like a real rocket. So let's just deform it a little bit, scale it. We just increase the size to okay. So let's increase the cylinder also, the height and the width a little bit. So its thickness is now okay, and I'm just gonna move it below the place to accompany it correctly. So the rocket body is done, the launch vehicle, or whatever you can just call it, the launch vehicle is done. Now we're just gonna make some fine adjustment, and let's make some solid rocket booster for that. And I'm just gonna copy the main body object to the side and make the solid rocket boosters. Let's place it a little bit smaller and place it on the sides. So now it's time to adjust things, and let's copy it to the other side with the cones. And now the solid rocket boosters are done, but now there's no engine. So I'm just gonna show you another AI feature that's called image to 3D AI, and I'm just gonna select a rocket engine image and make it into AI. Now it is not actually completely accurate, but it's working for the MVP product. So it will take some time according to the complexity of the image. Now it's done. Now I'm just gonna place that image below the model below the solid rocket boosters. Okay, so let's take it some adjustment, and now I'm just gonna copy the model and make it another copy and just use it on the other side. So let's just Control C and Control V, and I'm just gonna rotate along its axis to make it vertical. Now it's time to place it under the other rocket. So our rocket is completely prepared. Oh, it looks not quite nice. Just fine tuning adjustment, and now let's just clean the workspace. It looks too much cluttered. Just delete all the unnecessary objects that we have made during the workspace. So let's just delete it and continue. And let's just add an astronaut also to show you how it looks. It will now look like a space exploration. Let's just add it. It will take some time, and it's done. So now just gonna rotate along its axis, and it looks quite nice. So now we can just upload it to the marketplace if we want. So okay, now it looks much fine. So what do we name it actually? Let's name it space exploration or just rocket, and give it a arbitrary blah blah moon landing or whatever description. Just gonna add the category of, let's call it an art, not actually mechanical or something technical. Zero. We're just gonna add the price like a normal marketplace. Add the royalty. It will take some time to actually convert all the polygons to the GLB file and publish it to the marketplace. It's like normal publishing uploading, but it's from the CAD editor itself. So it's when it will be done uploading to the IPFS, and we'll be just minting it in the IPFS to actually be in the marketplace. So when it's done, and we can also just add another feature using the import function. We can import local files. We can import from the marketplace directly by it. Also we can download the object. So just let's import a thing. Let's see what actually is suitable for this workspace. The ATV actually seems fine. It will be like a lunar vehicle. that would uh, that would actually be quite nice. Now let's say it's too much small. Let's resize it. Let's increase along the x-axis, y-axis, and let's give it the z-axis too. So it's done. Now I'm just gonna place it beside the astronaut. Now it looks like an actual what I would say, a workspace of rocket science. In space exploration. So I can't say because I've already uploaded it to the marketplace, but it's gonna work, and the marketplace shows it. Now I'm just gonna move to the Android application. So here just I'm gonna launch the Android application. So it will take some time, transitions and all. You can see the marketplace looks like the same as the marketplace in the web app. Now I'm just gonna connect the wallet. It uses Reon SDK to connect to your preferred wallet, and we'll be using Sepolia. So I'm just gonna edit the permission from the mainnet, otherwise it will fail because of the different chain. So it will just show me the balance, and I'm gonna show you how the AR view and the 3D view works before we are purchasing anything. So I'm just gonna go to the purchased model and show you how it looks in 3D. So let's see. So like this you can watch actually the 3D model before you are purchasing, and you can also go to the AR space before you are, if you are willing to 3D print something. So go to a flat surface. It uses Google AR Core SDK that's built for the Android applications. Now we can see the object, and now I can show you the resale, how it works. We're back to the it works for both web and Android application. So just gonna resale the actual thing, and let's just confirm the payment, and it's done. So there's this application, the Android application is actually for works for the marketplace. There is no CAD editor or AI editor up till now. No one uses actually. So thank you for viewers for watching this. Good night.